Hey guys, welcome back to the Aussie Buckets main distribution centre here in Melbourne, Truganina. My name's Aidan. Today we're going to be checking out the AB Clamshell Series. Now these clamshells can come with a bunch of different options for customisation and all backed by a 5-year warranty. Let's check it out. So to kick off the walk around, we're going to have a chat about the clams themselves. There's a bunch of different options we can cater for your clams. Usually you're going to start off with your cubic meterage. So depending on your machine size, the density of the material will determine what cubic meterage you need out of the attachment. And we also have a bunch of different options for steel grades and wear packages such as skin liners. It's best to chat to one of our specialists to find out what's going to be best for your application, as they are usually quite a customized product. Now, onto the chassis of the attachment itself. You can see on either side of the chassis, you've got two massive rams that powers either side of the clams. And this is actually one of our rotating models. Now, these are available in either a fixed or a rotating configuration. And on top, we can either provide just a straight pivot pin that can go on your stick or dual pin setups that go on the end of a quick hitch or a normal excavator mount. And we can do specialized attachments on the top to connect to any other machinery that you might wish to use one of these clamshells with. Now, if you have a look on the inside of the clams here, you'll be able to see that we utilize a link arm to ensure that the clams are closing evenly, as well as open evenly during operation. And you'll be able to see, we'll put some shots over the top that they're mounted directly to the main chassis of those clams themselves. All right, guys, that wraps up the walk around today of the Clamshell Series here at AB. Now, if you're looking for a customized attachment in the bulk material handling space, this could be an awesome next purchase for your machine. So if you are interested, feel free to reach out 0399178598 or head to aussiebuckets.com.au to chat to one of our specialists today.